And what up, party people? So today I went and got a puppy dog. Yay! He's actually 2 years old. I renamed him. There's a boss paw on. I renamed him Biscuit. I'm gonna have to come on. I renamed him Biscuit. His real name is Ringo. He didn't know his name because they renamed him and stuff. But don't eat the leaf. Come on. So it is a Beagle mix. That's what I got him today. I got a new puppy. Woohoo! I can't. So you might be saying, why aren't you wearing a harness? Why don't you have a harness for him? These collars can choke him. Because we haven't bought one yet. Tomorrow we're gonna buy him a harness because there was none at the store that we went to. They were all sold out and they were all girlish, and he's a boy, so you know. Come on. Come on, little dude. I don't want to carry you. He's super lazy. He makes me carry him like millions. Oh, come on. But he's very sweet. I love him like to death. So I'm gonna just pick him up. He's heavy. Okay, now I'm gonna set it down. Come on, let's go. Okay, he's coming now. It's just you gotta pick him up and then, buddy, what are you doing? So yeah, it's gonna be a short video today, guys. So it's Friday, May 12th, I think. I don't know, but he's back there. Let me zoom in on him. Oh gosh, okay, where'd he go? So yeah, we gotta take him back inside. He has not, he's used the bathroom already, but he has not did the number 2. He hasn't did that in a couple hours, but, because I've had him for a couple. I renamed him, as I already said, I renamed him Biscuit. Biscuit. He does not know any tricks yet. What do you... Don't do that. Come on. Oops, somebody just texted me. Abu. Let me see. Just sorry for a second. Video. There. Come on. I said, can I text you later? I'm making a YouTube video. Okay. Come on. Biscuit. Biscuit, BB, whatever your name is. What are you doing? Come on, okay. Come on. Oh crap. Whenever I pick him up, he kind of pukes. That's why I don't like to pick him up, but he's grabbing me. Ready? 3, 2, 1. He's a beagle, so mix. So he has beagle in him. So if he smells like deer or something, he's gone. And if I drop it, so yeah, no. I look horrible. I've got blackheads on my nose. I know I look horrible. You can hate on me. I don't really care. Yeah, just do it. Just dislike this video. If I get 10 dislikes, I'm quitting YouTube. JK, I'm not going to, cause if I get 10, if I get likes, I'm gonna quit YouTube. I'm just joking. Yeah, I'm horrible. I need to put on makeup, but I don't feel like it. Come on, Biscuit. Come on, dog. Dog. I don't want to drag you. That's just horrible. That's animal abuse. And the people who we got it from, he said, "Is there any animal abuse people in your flipping in the house, and I said no. I'm only 11. No, I'm 10. Oh, did you just pee on me? Ew, you're disgusting. Don't just pee on me, dummy. Okay, come on, let's go. You can be my bean. Oh yeah, go check out my music at Samantha one. I just did a video on him. Come on. Come on. I gotta carry him everywhere I go. He's heavy. God, he's heavy. Dude, I just gave you a bath and you're already dirty. Gosh. Okay, so that was actually today's vlog. I know it's like only 5 minutes. Only like 6 minutes, but there's my puppy. Where is he? Right there. Bye, guys.